In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with your Monday.com workspace. By the end, you'll know how to build a clean, shareable dashboard, connect it to your existing boards, fine-tune what it shows with filters, invite collaborators, and export a polished PDF. Start on your Monday.com homepage within your workspace. From here, look for the blue plus button and click it to create something new. In the menu that opens, choose Dashboard. This is where you'll bring information together from different boards into one place. Click Create Dashboard to spin up a fresh, blank canvas. On your new dashboard, select Add Widget. Widgets are the building blocks of your dashboard. They visualize your data as charts, tables, timelines, and more. Pick a widget that matches what you want to see, such as a chart for status breakdowns or a numbers widget for totals. Before the widget can display anything, connect it to your data. Click Connect Boards to get started. Choose an existing project board that holds the items you want to summarize. After selecting the board, click Done. You'll see your widget populate once the connection is in place. Now, tidy up the labeling so your dashboard is easy to read. Open the More Options menu on the widget, then click Rename and give it a clear, descriptive title. Good names help teammates immediately understand what each widget is showing. If you'd like the widget to pull from more than one place, open the Connected Boards area, which will show something like One Connected Board. Add another board to broaden the data set. This is great when similar projects live in separate boards. When you've selected the additional source, click Done to confirm. To expand your dashboard, click Add Widget again and choose another widget type that complements the first. Mixing formats, like a chart alongside a table, can make patterns and outliers easier to spot at a glance. Next, add people so it's obvious who owns what. Click People and select the team members you want associated with the content shown. This can help drive accountability and highlight workload distribution across the dashboard. With your widgets in place, refine what's displayed. Click Filter to focus on the data that matters. Choose the column you want to adjust. This could be status, owner, date, or another field. For instance, pick Group if you want to show only a specific section of your board, such as active projects. Explore the other filter tabs to narrow things by additional criteria until the view reflects exactly what you need. When you're satisfied, click Save Filters so your selections persist and everyone sees the same curated view. Now it's time to bring collaborators in. Click Invite on the dashboard. You can invite by email or link. If you prefer a quick share, click Copy to copy the invite link and send it through your preferred channel. If you want to add individuals directly, type their email in the Invite by Email section. Once invites are sent, close the invite window to return to your dashboard. When you're ready to share a snapshot outside of Monday.com, export your dashboard. Click Export to start, choose Export to PDF, and then click Export. The system will generate a PDF that you can save to your computer and attach to reports, send to stakeholders, or archive for record keeping. If your dashboard is wide, consider checking the PDF once downloaded to ensure everything fits on the page as expected. That's it. You created a dashboard, added widgets, connected multiple boards, renamed and organized your components, brought in people, filtered for clarity, invited collaborators, and exported a clean PDF. Use this same flow anytime you need to monitor progress, share updates, or align your team around the most important metrics.